Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Halifax mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and in the URL box type in halifax.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official website for Halifax. From the main homepage, in order to manage your mortgage account, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. Now you will need to enter your credentials for your online banking account to get access to your mortgage. Type in your username inside the username text box and make sure to type in the same username that you associated while opening up a Halifax online banking account. On the next field, type in your account's password. If you've forgotten your sign-in details, get help by clicking Forgotten Your Sign-in Details at the bottom and follow through the instructions. After filling in your username and password, click on the Continue button, and that's how you should be able to log in and manage your Halifax mortgage account online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.